Hi guys! So this is how I do my brows. First, you'll need a brow soap and a spoolie, eyebrow gel or pomade, thin brush, and a spoolie, then a foundation or concealer to create the edges of the brows. So let's start. First is to slightly wet your brow soap. Then, ikaskas nyo lang doon sa brow soap nyo yung spoolie or mascara one. Then, apply nyo muna yung brow soap sa brow hairs nyo. So, make sure na inward yung pagbabrush nyo para kumapit lalo yung brow soap. And then, after that is brush your brow hairs upward para mas ma-flatten yung brow hairs. Tsaka para mas maging banat yung itsura ng kilay. So, next is filling out the brow. So, ang ginamit ko dito is eyebrow pomade ng Cosmetic, yung collaboration nila ni Mama Ann Clothes, yung ANNEGanda brow in the shade Bonggacious brown. So, ayan, fill in ko lang yung gaps. Hindi ko siya dinodrawingan katulad nung ginagawa ko dati na sobrang pakaks. So, ayan yung secret ko sa aking natural looking and bushy brows. So, hindi ko na napakita yung paglinis ko nung brows, pero gumamit ako ng concealer. So, ayan, hindi siya matapang. And then, itong eyebrow pomade niya is smudge proof, 1 cent, and then waterproof din siya. So, ayan, makikita nyo naman, ini-smudge ko sa dyan. Then, yun lang. Thank you, bye!